Now that you know how to make a good, strong password, how do you remember it without writing it down and constantly referring to records? Here are several tricks that can help you with that task. One trick is to use a passphrase instead of a password. You can take a favorite quote, a line from a song or a Bible verse, and use the first letter or last of each word and possibly change a few of the letters with characters. For example, you could take the first part of a Bible verse, such as this one, and transfer it to this passphrase. Or for example, taking the famous quote, you can transfer it to such a strong password. Actually, any text that you can remember or that you can quickly get access to, that include any text that you carry with you, for example, can become a base for your password. Just take a look at what you have with you all the time. Just don't forget to modify this text with a trick described earlier. And it can seem hard to have different passwords for all your accounts and memorize all these phrases, but first of all, this will train your brain and memory, and this is a good thing, right? And secondly, you can create a super strong master password for your password manager this way, and the password manager will remember all the rest of your passwords. I think it's time to talk about password managers.